Hey there, my name is Amy Williams. I'm an artist from Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm on the 2025 Tombow Creator Crew. I'm back today with a very fun Thanksgiving craft that you can do with your friends or your family this Thanksgiving or Friendsgiving season. I don't know about you, but I don't have the type of TV or movie type Thanksgiving dinner where we go around and we share what we're grateful for and we have a big emotional moment. I think that's very sweet. I have teenagers in my family that are a little too cool for school. I've got other family members that are just a little quiet, and that type of conversation doesn't come up. We show our gratitude in our love for each other and in our actions. And that's okay. Everyone is different. So when I was sitting down to think about this Thanksgiving craft, I wanted to think about conversation starters that are a little bit easier. This made me think about the report format. I don't know about you, but I am very much online, and a type of post I started seeing last year or so was the idea of a report, a weekly report. Report is an acronym. It stands for reading, eating, playing, obsessing, recommending, and treating. I love this format because it's short, it's fun, it's repeatable, and you often learn something that you didn't know about a friend or a loved one when they are sharing their reports. So today's craft is a Thanksgiving report coloring sheet. It's filled with Thanksgiving doodles and spaces to fill in each section of your report. All you need is paper. I'm using a mixed media paper. You'll need mono drawing pencils. I'm using the B, just happened to be the one that I grabbed. Mono drawing pens. I used 08, 05, and 03. And of course, always a mono plastic eraser. As far as the coloring aspect, you can use your favorite dual brush pens. You can use Arageton colored pencils. You can use them both together. Honestly, that's a favorite thing of mine. You can use twin tone markers, whatever you prefer to color with. So let's get started. I'm going to switch you overhead so you can see the sketching and the inking in process, and then we'll meet back here and we'll talk about what to do afterwards. Okay, we're all done. I'm absolutely obsessed with the way that this turned out. I think it's so cute. I had the best time brainstorming my favorite parts of Thanksgiving and thinking about how I will doodle that. So now that I have this done, my plan is to tear this out of my book and I'm going to scan it. That way I always have a clean copy on my computer and I can print it. I can, I can change the size a little bit. I can print 2 per page to make them a little bit smaller. Basically just always having a clean copy on hand. Before Thanksgiving, I will print out a coloring sheet for each member of my family, either before dinner or after dinner when we're waiting for the food to settle and maybe taking a break for dessert. I'll break out the coloring sheets and all of my favorite Tombow products, and we will color and share our reports with each other. I would also use this time as an opportunity to share the different ways to use the products with my family who are not as artistically inclined. I think this would be so fun to use the Tombow dual brush pens like watercolor, or to layer the Eragotin colored pencil on top of the dual brush pens, or just have like a crazy fun mixed media situation. You can collage, you can break out your favorite mono liquid glues and just go to town and have this very fun piece of art that is a snapshot of your life right now. You can ask your family to make it autumn themed or Thanksgiving themed, or you can say, doesn't matter. Just tell me what you're reading, what you're eating, what you're playing, what you're obsessing over, recommending, and treating yourself to. Please let us know if you try this out this Thanksgiving season and what your friends and family thought of it. As always, tag us on social media if you try this out. If you're using our products, we just like to see what you're making. All of that amazing art, we don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.